In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to remember the heart sounds. Normally, there are two heart sounds present due to the closure of the different walls of the heart, S1 and S2, and S3 and S4 produces in different conditions which show the abnormality. We can remember the heart sounds through the visual aid that S1 is produced upon the closure of the mitral and tricuspid. S1, if we consider one as a vertical line, then mitral and tricuspid, the initial word of the mitral and tricuspid, which is M and T, both have the vertical component in them. Mitral M and T में. So through the shape, vertical line, through this visual aid, we can easily remember that S1 is produced by the mitral and tricuspid. Now coming towards the S2, as we can see, S2, the shape of 2, if we look at the shape of A in aortic, ठीक है, तो S2 is produced by the aortic and pulmonary valve closure, and S3, if we invert the shape of the 3, it becomes like E. So S3 is produced by the early diastole in rapid ventricular filling phase, and for S4, the initial part of the 4, this it resembles the word letter L. So S4 is produced in the late diastole and high atrial pressure. 3 shows the inverted E. It is S3 produced in the early diastole phase, and S4, force initial part of the 4 shows the letter L. So S4 is produced in the late diastole. S1 in the mitral and tricuspid valve closure, and S2 in the aortic and pulmonary valve closure.